Mr. Hip Hop, Mr. Hip Hop, Mr. Hip Hop, Mr. Hip Hop. Put a quarter in the jukebox, rewind the revolution to rewatch those you influence with afros and boombox. Mr. Hip Hop, you got me hopping out my socks, so let me dissect you like the crack rock. Engineered by bone through nose voodoo dancers, ancestors who fed upon panthers and tarantulas. You were decimated, then migrated, traded to white natives and sold to high places. Mr. Hip Hop, Mr. Hip Hop, Mr. Hip Hop, Mr. Hip Hop. You've been gone for too long. A rhythmatic addict who spits poetic lyrics like every slave folk song. You went from cotton fields to rotten deals between middlemen. What I would do to be little again and reminisce between outcast and common sense. Freestyling on street corners was a higher bent and stayed inside everyone's mouth. Defied cement, Mr. Hip Hop. You know what I meant? You know what I mean? To revise your life is every black man's dream. But you only gave out to us adolescents and preached a message that bring gold to the lowest peasant. But I ain't even set trip, because I spit one time for hip hop, so I live one time for hip hop.